we had a problem. So we manufacture products in the UK, and in the factory was buying in trolleys. And what happened was they're very expensive and the quality wasn't very good. So now we're making our own trolleys and we're making them available to you. So we're going to quickly go around the factory. I'm going to show you our base model. This is our standard compact size with 5 shelves, powder coated gloss finish, and it's in the MegaMaxx PRO brand. So it's really premium trolley, and we're using them in-house, colour coded for each department. And it's starting to make our job really easy. We do have a range of custom size ones too, but we're just going to show you this now. We have a nice trolley here, has all the boxes on, really premium. This one doesn't quite have a home. Once it does, we'll put some tape on the floor marking it out. So this is a packing area. This is actually a desk trolley we do, and this is our trolley here. It's yellow, matches this area, everything's yellow, has nice wheels, and this gets driven around, just keeping our supplies on it, but no doubt there'll be more and there'll be a lot of improvements on that. So now we're in our packing area. This one's our premium purple colour, and we have our packing supplies. Just to note, the wheels are rated to 500 kilograms, so you can put half a ton on this and it will take the weight quite well. So yeah, we make this in steel. It's a powder coated finish, very durable and very strong. We're going to go in the office now, wipe our feet and be quiet. This stores our studio things ready for shooting. Just set a high standard, keep things premium, easy to see, and it's mobile too. We like everything on wheels.